A good day to everyone. I'm Julita Climaco Robles, and I am 63 years old. I'm a chemist by profession, although my practice is mainly in the field of education. I'm a teacher. I'm very happy because every meeting I get to learn new things. And the nice thing about it is that the coaches are very, very attentive to my needs. They would ask me questions and they would also entertain all questions that I raise in each session. One of my friends, may friends, asked me, gano'n mo katagal inaayos yung kilay mo? So, ibig sabihin nun, napansin niya may pagbabago sa itsura ko. So, yeah, I'm very grateful for that. I think my level of knowledge with regards to makeup is not naman very basic. That's why even my friends would ask me to help them out with their makeup. I remember my nieces, they are having their ball or their party, they would always approach me and they say they wanted me to do their makeup kasi daw when they go to the parlor, parang it's not them. Actually, grade 5 pa lang ako, nagme-makeup na ako eh. And my mother was very, very supportive naman yung mga interest ko. Kaya siguro nag-flourish din yung skills ko sa pagme-makeup. I'm about to retire. So, I wanted to find another source of income. And of course, I wanted to do something that is also interesting to me. And one of the things that I'm thinking about is pagme-makeup. When I came across your website, sabi ko, mukhang okay to. So, siyempre, titingnan mo yung mga pictures. Siyempre, gusto mong makarelate. Ito ba yung look na gusto mong ma-achieve? And then, I noticed that you have a variety of courses. So, sabi ko, maganda to. Merong professional. And it took me quite some time to decide what course I will enroll in. Since gusto ko rin naman i-share yung craft ko sa friends, I think I would go for course na for myself only. I wanted also to look good. As a teacher, my work is very visual. Di ba? Lagi ka nakaharap sa estudyante. So, kailangan you look good in front of the students. Cleaning is very important before you put on your makeup. Merong gradual level of intensity ng pag-apply ng makeup. Yung very important lesson sa akin nung day 1, yung kilay. Mahalaga kasi yun eh. Pag hindi maayos yung kilay mo, parang something is wrong in your total look. Yun sa kilay. Oo. Kasi may sarili akong style. Kaya nga rin ako nag-enroll. Kasi parang whatever I do, nagko-curve talaga yung kilay ko. So, yung tinuro nga, sabi ko, I have to do it again and again para masanay ako. Basta sa akin, if there's something that you would consider na best feature ng inyong program, the coaches. Kasi nga, very friendly sila. Tapos, very attentive sila. Ay, ako, ang dal-dal ko. So, minsan magkukwento ako in between, nakikinig sila sa'yo. So, na-appreciate ko yan. Tapos, talagang hands-on sila. Hindi sila nagmamadali. Hindi kayo manghihinayang dun sa fees na ibabayad ninyo or babayaran ninyo. Kasi talaga, yung matututunan nyo is more than that. And I would say, the friendship, relationships is something very important to me. And the people here are very friendly. So, malaking bagay sa akin yun. Parang hindi lang yung papasok ka lang tapos alis ka na. Di ba? Doon sa mga nag-iisip pa, huwag kayong magmadali. Ako nga, ang tagal-tagal kong nag-isip. In fact, they asked me, ma'am, ano po ba yung gusto pa ninyo malaman para makatulong po kami sa pag-decide ninyo? So, hindi nila ako minamadali na, ay, wala na pong session, wala na pong kayo, baka maubusan kayo ng slot. Wala silang ganon. Ang gusto nila malaman ay, paano sila makakatulong? And that is also very important. I hope you can see the goodness of the course. Kasi nga, hindi lang naman yung pagkakakitaan. It's for your self-improvement also. Malaking bagay yun na you feel good when you work or when you wake up in the morning, you learn something new. You always look forward to a new day. And what better way to start your day than by looking at the mirror and seeing a beautiful face.